Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I'm showing you a Bentayga. I'm mainly trying to buy lots of Jeeps because winter's coming up and people come all the drive supercars. So I think this is our new car. We're going to give you a good tour of our garage just like we did a couple of years ago. We've got our Porsche 911 here. It's started black, which I like. Then we got this white Lamborghini. This is one of my most favorite cars here. And then you got the Audi R8 Spider. I like this car because it's got a nice color, and if you look at the number plate, it says R8 toy. And then if you look at this car is a very long and big car for a Lamborghini Aventador. And you also have this one, VIO toy. And then you got the McLaren, which also has my number plate on it, and it's also white. And as you can see, it's also got carbon fiber over here. And then we have the G-Wagon that we just bought as well. So guys, we have our new G-Wagon. It's black, and we also have this G-Wagon on the side of it. And we also have this Lamborghini, which used to be the red one, and we just got it back from repair. And we also have this one, which is our other Lamborghini Urus. We also have our RSQ8 here. It's a very lovely car. And we also got the SVR there. As you can see, it's blue. One of my other favorite cars are the BMW M4. And we also have the V-Class, what I showed last time. And it's a great car which you can actually sleep in. And yes guys, that's all I have for today. Give a like if you want more videos like this. Peace.